Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So this video will be dedicated to Kalodata Gemini audience full tutorial, and this is one of the best TikTok analytics tools for people in Germany. And if you don't understand English, if you're from Germany and you don't understand English, please let me know in the comment section so that I'll be able to make a video in your title. Or if you don't understand English at all and you want me to make a Kalodata video in your own language, kindly comment or drop a comment, your country and the language you speak, then I will find a way to make the video to your own language. So, and without wasting much of your time, so I want to actually carry everyone along in this video. If you are from Germany and you trying to use Kalodata, and or if you don't have any experience about Kalodata before, I'm gonna be explaining in-depth tutorial, because this video is a full video tutorial on how you can actually use Kalodata in Germany. So you can use the link below to sign up on Kalodata. Firstly, you get the 7 days free trial, and at the same time you will get up to 20% discount on every month subscription you choose. So and once you sign up, once you click on the link, you will end up on this page. But I'll advise you to watch this video to the end before you proceed to start using the software. And also, Kalodata also launched their app on Google Play Store and Apple App Store, so you can also download that. So let's get that started. So this is the home page. You can see best tool for TikTok shop analytics and insights. So over 100 million plus product data, 200 million creator data, 300 million plus video and live stream data, and 500 days historical data. And this is accurate. If you check on this channel, you'll see that we have made a lot of videos about, I have even lost count about Kalodata's videos that we have made or published on this channel. And scrolling down, you also see trending product analysis, and these are all the inside of the platform. And also you can see the influencer collaboration, which is also very much important. And then you can see the advertising optimization. And scrolling down, you also see competitors insight. And scrolling down, you also see some frequently asked questions, which of course you may be interested in. So without that, so the next thing I will also want you to be aware of is the pricing page. So after that, we move to the inside of Kalodata platform itself. So let's check on the price. If you are from Germany, how much you're going to be paying and how many package does it have. So let me switch to Germany so you can see. All right, so this is Germany, and if you're an individual or a starter, so you're gonna be paying let's say $38.03. But then if you use the link in the description, you're gonna have a 20% discount. And sorry, I think I click on the yearly plan, sorry about that. So this is how much you're gonna be paying, and if you use the link in the description to sign up, use must be on the checkout page, then you're gonna have 20% discount off. And if you go for the professional, you're gonna be paying $90 thereabout. And if you use my link or must be in the discount code, then you're gonna have 20% off, right? So you can also see all the features that each of these plans comes with. And if you click on the detail comparison, so you're gonna see all the details on each plan, right? You're gonna see all the details on each plan. So device number per account, so you can see 2 accounts per 2 profile per account. Then you can see all the features that it also supports. So scrolling all the way down, you can see all the data that you're going to be getting, everything listed right here. So you can check it out if of course you need that, but I'm not sure you do. So scrolling down, also see customized report. So you see credits, you see live records, you see video downloads and script export, so sub account, and then there's some frequently asked questions on this one as well. And if you want to download the app, just click on this app at the top right, then you can scan the QR code if you are using Android or an iPhone, or you can go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store to search for the app. So aside from that, let's jump right to the inside of Kalodata, which is the explore page. Alright, so this is the explore page, and under the explore page we have competitors list, we have brand strategy, affiliate creators, hot videos, trending products, and hot lives. So at the top you can see explore, category, shops, creators, product, video and ads. Then we also have the live streams, right? So scrolling all the way down, you can see top product, and remember I'm on Germany, so every product we are seeing right here are products within Germany. So this is the top one product that is trending in Germany. So you can see right there, more protein iced coffee, protein coffee. Then this one right here, which is a digital camera, FHD 1080p camera. So you can see revenue in the last 28 days, and the item sold is 7,000 plus. And you also see this one in $10.92, the revenue generated is 200,000 plus, and then the item sold is 100,000 plus. And we also have this Nick Lock projector, right? So the price, you see the revenue that's generated, and also see the items sold. This Latafa camera, I think I have this perfume, so 100 ml. So you can see the price and you can see the items sold. I have this one, right? Then you can see this one as well. So these are the top products, and if I click on more, I'll be able to see more products that are trending. Then scrolling all the way down, you can see top creators. So these are the creators, and these are the products they are also promoting. So this is perfume, this is also perfume, this is also perfume. So I think perfume are one of the product or beauty products that are actually selling in Germany. So on this one right here, you can see, I think bed rest or head rest or something, like pillow or something. Then you can see gaming, retro. You can see, I think this is also a projector, or okay, car charger, sorry. Then this is, I think, skin care product. So you can see right there, there's another one, this another one, and this is another one from different creators. So basically all these products are from different categories. You understand that they are from different categories. So on the top shops right here, you can see these are the shops that are trending, and you also see most of these products are also listed on all these top creators, because these are the products that they are actually promoting. So you can see this product, you can see this one, you can see this camera, and you can see this camera right there. You can see this one perfume, you can see this perfume. So you can see this one as well. Then scrolling all the way down, you also see some other products, bed, I think workouts, something like that. Then scrolling all the way down, you can see top videos and ads. So these are the videos that are generating most of the sales in the last 28 days. So see this one right here.
Ist das zu 100% die alte Rezeptur?
Das ist genau die alte Rezeptur, was wir noch verfeinert haben, ist eben das Plus.
So you can see the video right there. So that is how that particular creator is promoting the product. So you see it's this product. So this is another one from another creator promoting this projector. So let's see the video. sorry.
Ne nuk kemi një televizor në dhomën e gjumit, dhe kjo ka qenë për ne edhe një arsye konflikti, sepse burri donte me patjetër që të kishte një televizor, ndërsa unë nuk doja dhe thosha që nuk ka shanse sepse nuk e ka televizori vendin në dhomën e gjumit.
So you know the funniest thing about this is that you can download the video without watermark, and you can also export the script, so you can use it to model your own video, right? You can use it to model your own video, very easy. So scrolling all the way down, you see another product, which is perfume. Let's see how this creator used the perfume.
Mädels, jetzt weiß ich, wieso dieser Duft so unfassbar krank gehypt wird von allen Frauen. Und zwar geht es hier um den Latafa Eclair. Ich verstehe, wieso alle Frauen diesen Duft.
So you can see that's another creator, and this is another one right here. Teeth whitening stripe.
Ich habe schon wieder getan. Ich habe was bei TikTok Shop bestellt. Und zwar so Whitening Strips für die Zähne. Und ich habe mir diese Hose gekauft. Sehe ich jetzt aus wie eine Tänzerin? Ja, oder? Das war mein vitaminreiches Frühstück. Wir testen das Ganze nicht zu Hause, weil ich habe gemerkt, die letzten Tage hatte ich keinen Bock.
Alright, that's another one, and this is the fifth
Diese
one.
Kamera hast du wahrscheinlich schon so oft auf TikTok gesehen. Und das ist jetzt dein letztes Zeichen, diese Kamera zu holen. Jetzt vor allem für den Sommer, Leute. 20 € für diese Kamera lohnt sich. Die Kamera macht Fotos und Videos, und die Fotos und Videos sehen darauf sehr retro aus. Ich liebe das, ja, vor allem jetzt für den Sommer.
Alright, so you can see these are the top video and ads from Germany, like Germany audience. Everything you can see right there, right here in this video are products that are trending in Germany, and I can tell you for free. You can see the language that they are speaking. So these are the top live streams content, right? So let's check on that as well, then we can move on to the next one.
Ich kann nur sagen, dass wie wir arbeiten. Warte, mache ich. Also wer den noch haben will, ist angepinnt, Mädels. Unglaublich lecker, ja? Unglaublich.
So basically what happened here is that these creators are going live to generate sales on this product. This product, you can see this product that she's showing. These are the products that she's selling, and all these products together have generated $45,000, right? You can see the revenue the last 28 days. This is another one. So that's a live stream video. So
Dankeschön, dass du dich gemeldet hast.
That's another one right there. So all these videos are live stream content, and then these are the money they generated so far. So scrolling up again, you can understand how all these features works. So now I already explained all these features on the explore page, which of course they are most likely the same thing that you're gonna be seeing on the category. So if you check on the category, then you can actually explore from one category to another, and also see some products that you can also promote. So this particular product right here is from beauty and personal care, teeth whitening. I think we have also seen this video because we have seen camera, and for shops you can also see top shops that are trending currently, and trust me, every data you can see right here are all accurate data. So you can see this is also creator right here. So this also creator page. I don't know why it's not showing. Then you can also see products. You can also see products right here. So these are the products that are generating sales in the last 28 days. You can see everything right there. You can also see video and ads. So everything was stated. You can also see like all the videos that we have seen so far. So ads, right? You can see ad tags on it, and then have live stream as well. So also have live stream videos, so from different creators. So all live stream, low follower, high revenue lives, and then shop self-operated live, and live with recording, so you can see all these features right here. So this is how you can use Kalodata to find different products that you can sell on your TikTok shops. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to reply to your request. Thank you.